Today's video, I'm going to show you how you could make your own YouTube channel by earning $2,000 per YouTube video that you upload to your channel with 30,000 subscribers. Don't worry if you have no idea how to use the YouTube platform to earn money, because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to start strong on the YouTube platform from the very beginning, as if it will turn into a business for you. Discover something you're good at to build your channel around, or if you don't have any skills at all, discover something you wish to learn. Here's how you can accomplish the same thing with just $20 and a laptop. Then develop your channel around that. I know for sure that you've already seen enough YouTube videos so that you can have some of your own ideas as well. Just keep your content interesting whatever you decide to do. Always try to make it interesting in a way to attract people's attention. It is due to the fact that you want people to watch your videos. After that, sign in and write the script for your first video. Don't think too much about it. The more time you wait, the longer you won't be able to make money. And I guess that this is what you want to achieve, right? Basically, start with Google Docs and begin writing to the best of your ability. Whatever your writing abilities are, the ones you gain through school, and they are quite useful for today's video, so make an effort to pay attention during class if you're still an undergraduate. And now, along with the next step, purchase some video editing software. This is where you need to invest your $20. If you're a university student, you can buy Adobe's Creative Cloud for just $20 per month. There is another choice like Adobe Premiere Pro. Besides, it's somewhat more costly, so I think you'll need more than $20, but there are always other free video editing options. Next step, which is to record your voiceover. If you're feeling adventurous and you want to go over your $20 budget, you can go and buy a mic, but actually your phone works nice and good as well. As you record, try to locate and be seated in a quiet spot with little to no surrounding noise. And no matter what you do, be confident. Push your chest out and avoid speaking as if you've got a gun to your head, because that's what I did when I first started off. The probability that you were able to click and watch this video is simply because you are interested in developing your skills and learning new money-making techniques, and after you're done with it, you can move on to next step. But before that, subscribe to my channel to stay updated whenever I drop a new video about making money online with the simplest and easiest way of earning money. Turn on your post notification. I am not going to lie to you and tell you that editing is simple, because it isn't, but like any new ability, the more you practice it, the better you're going to become at it. Just don't waste thousands of dollars on a course to learn it. You have everything online at your fingertips, and YouTube is able to teach you as much as most courses are able to. After that, you may create a thumbnail, which is also very challenging, but like with editing, it will get easier every time you do it. So don't become too annoyed, and then you've got everything you need to publish your first video. Although this is actually only the beginning, it will take you around 20 videos to start earning money after that initial video goes out. For example, there are artists who took 3, 4, 7, and even 8 years before they ever received any revenue from YouTube. Lucky for you, you have control over how quickly it shows up. If you continue to create films and aim to learn from each one, it will move much quicker. It's necessary to compare your performance to other videos and receive comments from other YouTubers, which takes us to the next step, which is to socialize. If you can meet other YouTubers who will develop with you, you're typically setting yourself up for success. Networking is made easy by the internet, either by using a Discord server or a Twitter community. Anything you can find that connects you with like-minded individuals will be useful. Making these relationships is great for gaining feedback on your videos, but I've also found them valuable for getting brand partnerships, freelancing customers, and part-time employees. With lots of things, at some point, you'll find yourself monetized, which is extremely excellent for you. Unfortunately, YouTube's ad revenue when you're first starting your channel is as close to poverty as it gets after a period of time. Yet this will get you started, and you'll eventually smash your first $1,000 in a month, which will make you feel really great. But you have to keep pushing through regardless of what conflicts you're going to face. Trust me, it's going to be worth it in the long life term, even though this is just the beginning of the earning possibilities offered by YouTube's introduction of the final steps. It takes time to get brand deals. In the beginning, it takes a lot of courage and hard work. If you realized when you're randomly watching and in the middle of a lot of videos, YouTubers suddenly start sponsoring a specific app, shops, and many other examples, but you simply skip it anyways. Then these things are called brand deals, sponsorships, partnerships, or paid promotion, and lots of other words to describe the ads and sponsors. So that's where the massive profits are. Some companies will want you to only mention these individuals for at least 30 seconds, do a full ad read for more than a minute, or maybe just use their product during the entire video. Pricing will vary depending on what kind of collaboration you decide to do. But as you expand, companies will start reaching out to you, making it simpler to obtain such types of brand partnerships. Sometimes you should personally reach out to them right away. For now, before we know how to increase our earnings from YouTube, give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in making money online, subscribe to my channel. And if you're facing any problem or feel like asking, comment down below, and I will be happy to help. Your ad revenue will most likely be not much at the time of your first brand agreement, but the brand deal could give you somewhere in the range of $100 to $200 if you play the game well and determined by the size of your channel, your niche, and a variety of other standards and guidelines. But in the midst of it all, you'll continually grow, your ad income will rise, you'll secure more brand partnerships, your channel will expand, and everything will be fine and just amazing. Just don't stop and don't give up. Keep in mind that it takes a lot of time and hard work. However, you will eventually reach a point where you are able to put in a certain number of hours every week for a certain amount of money. At this point, we will proceed to an important step, which is to invest a few dollars back into your YouTube channel. After a minimum of 1 year on YouTube, you can make enough money to hire other people to speed up your production. After some time on YouTube, you may reach a point where you really just don't want to edit because you know it would take you too much time. Instead, you can reach out to people who have excellent experience with editing, and you will be paying the person to edit some segments. Whatever you're paying them, and certainly in the future, I'll absolutely be looking to hire additional employees with part-time hours to speed up my editing thumbnail scripting. In the meantime, good luck converting your $20 into $10,000. Give it a thumbs up if you're interested in making money online fast and easy. Now watch this video if you want to make more money from another website while clicking on a single link, then what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.